In this video, I'm gonna evaluate 3 recipes designed for athletes. Those recipes supposed to be delicious, healthy, and easy to make. I will rate those recipes based on taste, cost, and difficulty to make. So let's start. Let's make a smoothie. This smoothie called You Can't Beat Me Smoothie. You got it? You Can't Beat Me Smoothie. So those are the ingredients that we're gonna need. 1 banana, 1 beet, 1 cup blueberry, 1 tablespoon raw walnut butter, and 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 cup almond milk, and 1 cup coconut water. Now let's mix all of this. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. It tastes really good. It tastes so fresh, so good and sweet. I love it. It's really good. Highly recommended. So I will give it, for taste, I will give it 10. For difficulty to make, it wasn't that difficult. It's not easy, like I had to go out and get some of the ingredients, but yeah, I will give it like 5 of difficulty. And for cost, this is not a cheap recipe, like it's expensive, so but it's cheaper than buying it from outside, so I will give it also 7. Let's make cupcakes. Look at this. You need cornmeal, flour, blueberries, coconut sugar, baking soda, butter, yogurt, lemon, vanilla, and eggs. In a big bowl, mix the dry ingredients. 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup flour, half cup coconut sugar, 1 spoon baking soda, a teaspoon salt, 8 teaspoon butter. Mix it all together. Now mix the wet ingredients. 2 eggs, half cup yogurt, vanilla, lemon zest. Mix, and now add the dry ingredients and the blueberries. Put it in a cupcake tray. Keep it in the oven for 20 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Look at this. This is the cupcake. It looks good. So let's try it. It doesn't taste good at all. First of all, the lemon was very bitter, so like it tastes really bitter because of the lemon zest, and it's not sweet at all. So I don't think I'm gonna make this again. So for taste, I give it 2, and for difficulty to make, it took time to make it, so it's not easy to make, and so I will give it like 4. And for cost, it wasn't too expensive to make, so it's good on that, so I will give it a 7. That was a fail, so let's try the next one. The last recipe of the day is very simple. We have salmon and cauliflower. I already marinate the salmon with some spices. You can do whatever spices you like. I'm gonna steam those cauliflower. And for the salmon, just gonna use the air fryer. Put it on bake for 20 minutes. That's it. Making the cauliflower is so easy. You just put some water. Then we put the net in here and add the cauliflowers. That's it. It's so easy. I'm gonna get back to you in 20 minutes. Okay, the fish is ready. Look at this. Looks so good. The cauliflower is ready too. Just squeeze some lemon. Okay, let's try. Tastes really good. Try the cauliflower. This recipe is so easy to make. and it's so delicious. For taste, give it a 10. For difficulty to make, I will give it 0. Like, it's easy to make. For cost, it's not cheap too, but it's very healthy, very good. I will give it like a 7. I'm trying to run a half marathon by the end of the year, so I'm gonna be making more healthy recipes and more health content, so stay tuned. And the name of the book, the name of the book, Run Fast, Eat Slow.